everyone, and welcome back to another LEGO Batman stream for Halloween. Ooh. Okay, we've done the Batmobile. It's time to rob the Joker of his balloons with the Batwing. This is Batwing, Batman versus the Joker. Do they ever call it the Batwing in the film? I have no idea. Let's crack it open. I'm expecting at least 3 bags because it wasn't as expensive as the Batmobile, but it's still. We've got 4 bags. Okay, it's a 4-bag bill. We begin as always with bag 1 because Batman follows the rules. Okay, what anyone else says. And as always, dispose of your packaging responsibly. Hoo-yah! Basically exactly the same figure as the other set, but now I am putting his snarly, angry face on. Focus, please. There you go, snarly, angry face, because at this point, near the end of the movie, he's had enough of Joker's nonsense. Jack Napier will not get away with his nonsense for long, because it's the Bat! There we go, now we can do the thing from the LEGO Batman movie. I'm Batman, no, I'm Batman, I'm Batman, I'm Batman! I'm Batman. Ooh, not seen a piece like that before. Cool. It's a frame for claws to grab, apparently. Oh, yes, I forgot. Come on. I know you're there. Stickers. But only 3 stickers. So that's not too bad. I'll put you there. Black flag. Because it looks like a flag and it's black. Anyway. Okay. As in the previous stream, let's get this as nice and straight as possible. Focus. There you go. Yeah. First try. So that's 1. There we go. Another first try. Look at that. Cool, 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 cool. Good, good, good. Right. Oh, 1 sticker left. So soon as well. That's what I like to see and hear. Alright. You can see these on the front of the box there, but these are the pieces that are poking out. Look at those. Not seen those before. Very nice. Oh. I know what those are now. Those are what cuts Jack's balloons. Taking shape already. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Back 2. I believe this is where we do one of the wings. It looks like there's a bag for each wing. It is a strange mentality to make you avoid doing both wings at once, if you know that sort of thing. It's almost like the stripes on the X-Wing, but black. It's like someone in the Rebel Alliance said, now listen, what if X-Wings were goth, and the engineers were like, oh my god, what if they were goth though? And before they can even open their mouths to ask Leia, she says, do it, because she knows instinctively it's something cool. That's a cool detail as well, right? Because usually with a plane, you have green on the starboard, red on the port. But with Batman, he just has yellow, because he doesn't want people to know whether he's coming or going. All he needs a light for is to know where he's flying. And that's it. He doesn't need to tell anybody else anything. I haven't actually seen one of those pieces either. I've seen a full circle and a quarter plenty of times, not a half. Then again, I might have done before and I've forgotten, which is very easy. Right, one wing done. Oh, it's not even 40 minutes yet. Okay, so this smushes onto here. Bag 3, which is also wing number 2, because that's how numbers work. I still say it's a very curious decision to have a wing per bag, but I'm not a LEGO designer, so what do I know? Another wing done. Shiny. Well, reflective. And then we can put it on the rest of the body. Smush it on like the other one. We got the infamous silhouette already. It's the kind of sets that you're glad they've done if you can't afford the giant UCS ones. There we go. Bat flaps. Hey, classic brick time. Aha. Also time for the last sticker. Here we go. Sticker time. Oh, no. You are not straight. You are not straight. There we go. Sorted. Got a bit of shine as well. Lovely. Oh, I bet you can't tell where the cockpit is. Right. It's only Ruddy Bloody Bag 4 time. Already. Cockpit visor, some jokery parts, the absolute clown. Who does he think he is? Oh dear, head's rolling. There we go. Not just a Joker, but a Joker with a hat. Yeah. Here we go, last bag. And as with the previous stream, the difficulty of finding pieces in a sea of black becomes ever more difficult. If you find the black piece of need, say something. That one? What do you mean that one? I bet this is going to be storage compartments. You can't tell me otherwise. Sometimes all a Lego piece has to do is turn side on or upside down and it completely vanishes. That's nice. That's cool. Okay, that's more or less done. Clip onto the back here. Oh, satisfying. I've got the tail of the bat there. Cool. Alright, next bit. Doofin! They plug into here. Okay, that's one. Oh, satisfying, crunchy, crack, snap, whatever. Ah, storage. I said it was storage. There we go. And then, finally, the cockpit goes on. Or the cockpit cover goes on. Are you ready? Well, it's more of a crunch than a snap, but okay. And it is closed. And there we go. Just make sure I haven't missed anything. Yep, Batman goes in Batwing, obviously. Joker gets shot. I think that's how the movie goes down, isn't it? Right. Oh dear. So there we go. That's the finished Batwing. Doesn't it look so cool? Give a nice 360. Hopefully people can see this. Nice detailing as well. Bat flaps, very important. Nice look at the third dimension as well. The cutters, the wound cutters. And then, most importantly, I would argue, the silhouette. Yeah, that's the stuff. So there's the Batmobile as well, the tumbler. All three of them together look amazing, obviously. So yeah, awesome, amazing, super cool. Super batty. And because of how this is angled, let's just leave it there, shall we? So, oh, hang on. We'll make it sit on the. We'll make it sit on a Joker. So that the angle's better. Yes. There we go. How's that for an end shot? Just move that Batmobile out of the way just a smidge. There we go. That's better. Excellent. Right. So there we go. That is the Batwing. number 76265. Oops. As depicted at the end of 1989's Batman, with the Bat himself and a behatted Joker. So there we go. All that remains for me to say is thank you all very much for watching. Be awesome to yourselves and each other. Always be spooky and, you know, be the darkness, be the night, and stuff. You know, Batman stuff. Always be Batman, that kind of thing. You know the drill. All right. Bye. I'm going to steal Joker's balloons now.